Hey guys, it's me again. Now today I'm gonna do another random video, but this one was requested by someone in the replies, and they told me to do something with tornadoes, so they requested X twisters. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's just get into it.
If I could live my life over again.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs. Let's see which one we should start with. Let's try to do all of them. What's this one? Who cares? Let's just jump right into the intenseness. Oh, brother. That's not tornadoes. They wanted tornadoes. Let's get with tornadoes. Let's see which one looks the most dangerous. I mean fun. Yeah, this is the safest. Oh boy. It begins. And so it begins. Oh boy, what's happening? I think I just ended the world. Ah, my friend, there you are. I missed you since the last time I heard of you. Oh boy, it's lagging my game. Oh boy, it's picking me up. Uh-oh. I think I made a mistake. That's not strong enough. Let's just spawn all of them. Oh boy. Did I actually spawn them? No. Hey, what? So we can't spawn the water. Okay. Well, other than that, just spawn. Whoa, so... Oh, I have an idea. Let's build the car. Whatever this is, frame in my game is gonna crash, so that's also part of building the car. Apparently I'm in the skybox now, so that's something to note. After I delete all my props, now figure out how to build another car. So, oh hey guys, today we're gonna build a house. So, what you wanna do, figure out how to get Earth. First, I'm gonna go here. Blocks. Mega customers. After that, you're gonna want to do that, and after a little bit of other things. You know what? This isn't intense enough. Let's spawn 3 of each one. This is a good idea. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I love it. I can't see that. Absolute crap, it's so fun. My game's gonna crash. It's lagging my game. My game is gonna crash. Oh no, here's the whole world. Here's the whole world. It appears my game is dying. It appears my game is lost. I am very high in the sky. Oh no. Let's add props. Oh boy. Well, let's get into something else. We'll continue this later. This looks fun. Ah, yes. so tasty, I'm on fires.
I just knew it was gonna be one of those days.
Yes. Yes, my pretty. No.
Now!
Years I got killed.
I just knew it was gonna be one of those days.
Nail it. We'll spawn all of them. But that's over. Now, anyways, there's one more thing you need to know. Grand finale of death. Yo, 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 yo.